Hi, so I'm trying to install a PC. All right, so this is Windows 11, and look at it. Look at the problem. I cannot see the SSD that is on the PC. So how can I solve this problem? All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to look for the storage driver, yeah, and try to install it on this PC and see if it's going to recognize the storage that is on this PC. So how would I go about that? So first, I'll go to this is HP PC, yeah. I'll go to HP website. So if you are facing a Dell, you go to Dell website. The thing is, you are going to fetch a driver for it. Fetch a driver support. Yep. Yeah. All right, good. So yeah, laptop. So yes, laptop. So what I'm going to type here is, so you look at here, enter your serial number, product number, or product name. So, and here is 15 IP EG0, EG0, E. And here is it here. It's out already. Yeah, laptop 15, each have on 15, blah, blah, blah. So, that is a PC. Okay, so here is it. So what I'm looking for here is a PC. Yeah, here's a PC. So what I'm looking for here is I will have to scroll down to, yes, driver storage. Yeah, driver storage. This is Retech. I don't know. This is Intel storage technology driver. This is RST driver. So this is what I'm going to target. This 22 MB. So download. We can use no. Thanks. I download. Yeah, and install manually. Yes, this is what I need. Yeah, it's downloading. Yeah, this is it here. So done. Okay. Open file location. Showing folder. So here is it here. SP blah blah. So I will need to extract this. This is boundary zip. Where you pop up. Alright. So here is it. So I'm going to drag and drop here to, yeah. Then I will click on extract. To extract to where? Yeah, to desktop. Yeah, extract to desktop. To give it name, new folder. That is RST driver. RST driver, yeah. Okay. That is on desktop, yeah. Good. So, in summary, what did I do? Simply, I go to HP sites, yeah, then I download the driver on storage device, yeah. So I download the driver. So can I see this? Yeah. Okay. All right. So here is it. Intel Rapid Storage Technology Driver. So under storage. Okay. So I downloaded it, and after I downloaded it, it was extracted. Then I copied the files, extracted the files into a storage device. Okay. Then after copying into a storage device, then plug it to the PC. Okay, that was complaining about not recognizing any of the disk. Yeah. Then I navigated, then choose a driver, then install the driver. Then automatically it pop out the SSD that's on the PC. So if you try one, you cannot recognize it, make sure you try each of each of those items. Definitely get to a one that will be compatible. Then you'll be able to see the SSD installed on the PC. Okay. Note: if you want to do it, don't copy it on the flash that you use as bootable. Look for another flash or another storage device, then plug it to the PC. Copy it to it, then plug it to the PC. Yes, so that was how I was able to have this resolved. So for me to be able to have this resolved, I believe you can also have this resolved. No matter the PC, just go to the website of the manufacturer, go under storage device, then download the driver that is made for this storage device. Like on HP, this is Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver. Then extract it. After it has been extracted, yeah, copy to the flash and take it to the PC, and yeah, that is it. Basically, that is just it. And with this, if you follow the step, you should be able to do yours that same way.